National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning
It provides a great
for Mississippi County, Missouri, southeastern Scott County, Missouri, north central New Madrid County, Missouri, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sikeston, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bertrand, Minor, and Sikeston around 9:35 p.m. Anniston, Charleston, and East Prairie around 9:40 p.m. Wyatt around 9:50 p.m. Other locations affected by the tornadic thunderstorms include Houston and Wilson City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 55 between mile markers 59 and 73. Please cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, New Madrid, and Scott.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Franklin County in south central Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, until 3:30 a.m. At 9:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Franklin County in south central Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, until 3:30 a.m. At 9:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar. Between 1 and the following effects are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Marion, Huron, West Frankfort, Benton, Carterville, Johnston City, Christopher, Vienna, Grand Lake area, Cesar, Ziegler, Craneville, Cambria, Royalton, Energy, Goreville, Mounds, Hearst, Valier, and West City. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Johnson, Pulaski, and Williamson. Grand Lake area, Cesar, Ziegler, Craneville, Cambria, Royalton, Energy, Goreville, severe thunderstorms, Valier, and West City. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Johnson, Pulaski, and Williamson.